Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can split a video in Canva. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to Canva, then go to videos. You can just click on videos here and choose video here or one of these. Click on it. And as you can see here, we have videos from Canva. You can go and upload your videos from here. Click upload files. Then choose your video. So let's say this one. Click on it. Make it fit. And to split this video, let's click on it. Click on the place you want. Then click on right click and choose split page. Or you can click on S on your keyboard. And as you can see here, the video is now split. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.